Hi guys, I hope you're enjoying the coding so far. Now over here for this particular practice, it is a AFL, which means it's more tended for your, it's a AAL, which means it's more so intended for yourself to learn. You don't need to submit anything for this one. And what you would do is just navigate through it to figure out different things. So if you click on the first link, it will take you over here and you could just play around with it. And I think I talked about this before as well, where let me change it to the text form. So the first two coordinates is going to tell you where it's going to be. So it's going to be at 100 and 100. You get the point of where it will be. And then the last two coordinates, it will tell you how big the object is. So let me turn on my grid and run. So if we look at the green one, it's located at 300 and 100. So this particular location is going to be 300 and 100, as you could see below over there. And the width of the rectangle is 100. The length of the rectangle is 250. So what I want you guys to do is just play around with it. You could change the color. So you could change the blue to maybe pink. And you could set it to maybe and then run. So over here, just play around with it, see how to navigate through all of the colors. You could add more colors in over here and just test it out and have fun. The next one looks at the circles. So if you click on link 2, and it's pretty much the same thing. It will tell you the location that it's going to be at. So this particular location of the circle is the center of the circle. So let me run this and show you. So at 200, 200, which is the center of the circle, that's where both of them are at. If I want to change the center of the circle, I could change this to, let's say, 100 and 100. And I could also change the size of this and maybe make it into a perfect circle instead of an oval. And now it would look like this. And maybe try to make like a smiley face or something. Do whatever that you want to explore how to use these particular coding blocks. The next one is the introduction to the background. So if you click on link 3, it will show you the color of the background and what fill, location of that fill. So if I run it, we have this over here. And you could go about changing whichever one that you want. Let me go to blocks. Put this on top over here. So as you could see before, the purple did not show, and the reason why the purple didn't show is because the background was underneath the purple, which means the purple would come first and then the yellow background, which hides the purple square. So in order for you to see the purple square, you want to make sure that you put it at the very top, and now you will be able to see the purple square. In the fourth one, it's almost the same thing, and it goes over different colors. You could pick which color you want to. You've worked with white background, so what I would do is choose like different colored backgrounds, maybe add another fill in here, and just play around with it to see what happens. For the fifth link, it's adding a lot more things in together. So you have this image over here. Let's say you want that to be blue, and you could kind of make it like a water, and let's say you also want to put a tree or something. What you could do, copy this. I'm going to change that back to green. I'm going to change this to brown, and let's say 300. So you could just go about and draw with like whatever picture that you want to, explore, and honestly guys, have fun.